PQ is parallel to RS is parallel to TO. Y is to Z equals to 4 is to 5. Find the value of X. See this Y and this Z. See here, if this is Z, then and these lines are parallel. So this Z means angle GHS and angle HIU are corresponding angles. Now what are corresponding angles? See here, there are basically 5 types of angles when the lines are parallel. Remember, why am I talking about parallel? Because we are concerned only about parallel lines now. When the lines are parallel, alternate interior angles means they form the Z like this. These two angles are always equal. Same side interior angles means on the same side. So these angles form 180 degrees, supplementary. Alternate exterior angles means this Z which is formed opposite of those angles means opposite of this is over here, opposite of this is over here. So they will always be equal. Remember, alternate angles whether interior or exterior, they will always be equal. The next, same side exterior angles means these. See here, these inside ones are called as interior angles same side. These are called as exterior angles same side then. So what are these? These are again supplementary 180 degrees. Remember, same side interior angles also 180 and same side exterior angles also 180. And last is corresponding angles means they fall on the same side of the middle transversal we call it. So middle line they fall on the same side, so they are always equal. See this GHS and HIU, they are on the same side, so they will be equal. So it is Z, this will be Z now. So once this is Z, so for what is this GHR and GHS means Y and Z. If you combine them, they become supplementary angles because this is a straight line. So Y plus Z equals to 180. But what is Y? 4 and what is Z? 5. Take the variable something as X we used to take it, but X is given over here. So take K. So 4K and 5K. So 4K plus 5K equals to 180 degrees. So K equals to what? 9K equals to 180. So K equals to 180 upon 90 upon 9, that is 20. So K is 20 now. But we want what? Y. Why do we want Y? Because we want to find out X. So what is Y now? Y equals to 4K. 4 into 20, 180 degrees. Now we got Y now. Now what is X plus Y? What is X plus Y basically? What is X and what is Y? See these are same side interior angles. So they will be 180 degrees. Supplementary. So X plus Y equals to 180 degrees. But we know Y, 80. So X equals to 180 minus 80 equals to 100 degrees.